So guys, Ethereum today hit that $2,500 mark. Everyone's talking about how altcoin season is going to be happening with all the positive news from Trump and exactly how Bitcoin and Ethereum are looking in altcoins as well. Everyone is getting super bullish and wondering what altcoins should they be buying right now. And I've been preaching, guys, AI, meme coins, gaming, and a little bit of RWA and a few others. And today I want to walk you guys through these specific sectors you need to be focusing on, and I'm going to give you guys my perspective around a few specific assets and how you need to be looking at projects, whether they are older or new. Overall though, if you're new to my channel, check out the rest of my content. I keep you guys updated on the day-to-day events, price action around Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, how liquidity is shifting, what you need to be aware of so that you can position yourself correctly, and also specific altcoins so that you can make those crazy gains. Guys, my portfolio has been jumping up quite significantly, and if you've been buying or allocating to the coins that I have been suggesting, especially Chill Guy, which is up like around 300 to 400%, which is freaking crazy, overall, you are sitting quite nice. And today I want to walk you guys through the perspective on trying to find the best coins, which sectors to focus on, and the perspective around exactly how to look for good altcoins. But with all that being said, guys, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So guys, we're going to be talking about some main sectors today, which is going to be the meme sector, the AI sector, gaming, and RWA. But first off, why is everything running up? Because of the news events that we're having with Trump, which is super positive, all the ease and tensions. We still need to be seeing rate cuts, but right now, Ethereum hit that 2,500 region zone, which is causing altcoins to run parabolically right now. The total 3 chart is a testament to that, just pretty much following the price action around Ethereum. And we've been keeping up with these charts, Bitcoin dominance, USDT dominance, just showing exactly where liquidity is moving. But with all that being said, guys, meme coins, AI coins, gaming coins, altcoins in general have been running up quite significantly. As you can see, for the 24-hour on a few of these assets, the meme coin sector is up around 17%, AI is up around 7.8%, gaming is up around 10.5%, and RWA is up 6.1%. Now guys, right now, like how I said, there's a lot of assets that are pumping up quite significantly. If we look at my portfolio for the 7-day, a lot of these assets are jumping up really crazy, and it's really awesome to see the price action that we're seeing. And whenever you start to look at which assets are pumping up, super hard, it's the ones that have the most hype around them, which is, guys, AI, meme coins, and a little bit of mixture of RWA and gaming. But the main thing I want you guys to focus on today is meme coins and AI coins. I'm gonna give you guys a perspective around this. So Just a Chill Guy was a meme coin that I talked about previous, guys, to whenever we deviated super low at the max, guys. We saw this coin sitting at around almost 70 cents. Currently the coin is sitting at around 6-9 cents, but earlier, guys, in the month, this coin was sitting at around 1 to 2 cents. So you guys can see exactly the crazy price action that it's been seeing in the past 14 days and 30 days. Practically a 300% return for some people, much more. And this is a new meme coin, a fresh coin that was launched at the end of November and saw some crazy price action at the end of the year, but then completely died down. And this is where people think some of these coins cannot see their time in the sun again. But if you can jump into a fresher coin that has a strong audience, then potentially you can make those crazy gains. And this is where we can go ahead and look up the Chill Guy audience and just see exactly how it looks, and if you would be someone that's bullish around it. And something about meme coins that has a lot of people super bullish is the fact that it doesn't require any technology or any actual real updates. It's all revolved around the community, as well as overall the hype and the actual marketing behind the project. And this is a project that has been staying strong, keeping updated with all the memes and all the things that are happening in the markets, and just staying correlated to all that and trying to create that strong audience. At the end of the day, this is still a high risk coin, and meme coins in general are very risky coins, but this is me just giving you a perspective, guys, from one asset that saw some crazy price action and then completely died, but is starting to go ahead and give some crazy returns to anyone that believe in it. If you were to invest money, guys, at that 1 to 2 cent mark, you could have turned around $1,000 into around 40 grand if this coin runs back to its all-time high. Just think about that for a second. Not financial advice, but I'm just trying to give you guys the perspective around coins. And this is where some people are, looking into other coins like Doge, and other ones like Popcat, and some of these other top meme coins, guys, are probably going to be your better bets. But whenever you start to look at these lower cap meme coins, this is where you can start to make crazier gains. And I know a lot of people wonder, should they be buying older coins, more established coins, or that should they be buying more fresh coins? I think you need to be having a diverse portfolio if you are not wanting to take on that much risk. Me, I'm super risky. That's why if you look at my portfolio, most of my portfolio, guys, is revolved around low cap AI gems, a little bit of mixture of gaming as well, and then on top of that, meme coins. I'm taking a huge risk on a lot of these assets, but it's because I really believe in what they're building and how everything is loading out. But with all that being said, this is where I want you guys to not only look for specific projects in the meme sector, in the AI sector, and also in the gaming sector, but I also want you to go look at their projects and follow them on X, see the updates that they're doing, see the technology that they're actually bringing, and overall, if they're actually doing something, if they have strong partnerships, if they have strong developments, an actual roadmap, and they're, bringing real updates, it's going to get really crazy for some of these projects. A few of them that I'm invested in, guys, is Hash AI, which is revolved around crypto mining mixed with AI algorithms, and overall they do a lot of computing and overall pushing out a lot of power, which is going to be super beneficial for a lot of companies in the near future. Not only that, they're pretty much a profitable company, being able to mine crypto specific coins, and also create a share pool for anyone that invests in their projects and also stakes their Hash AI. This is a great project, guys. I followed them when they first came out, got introduced from Crypto God John, as well as Alex Becker, which a lot of these big guys, they're making huge videos right now, guys, talking about these coins. And this is where you can make a lot of money if you're front running a lot of people in the space. Another project that I am a lot super into, guys, that I'm mainly allocated to is Condux. I really believe in what Condux is doing, pretty much taking Web3 assets and being able to cross-platform them onto different things. So across chains, and this gets super crazy because if you don't understand actual Web3 assets and how Web3 gaming is going to be utilizing this technology, the crazy partnerships that Condex has, and exactly what is coming out like with the NVIDIA engine, there's a lot of different things, guys. But overall, this is where I want you to look around for good projects, look at the updates that they have, look at the audience that they're building, and the marketing and everything like that. In terms of the sectors, you need to be focusing on meme coins, AI coins, gaming, but with the meme coins, guys, you more need to look for hype, exactly what's going on with the project. If they have a cult-like mentality, this is something that Murad talked about because he's all around SPX 6900. That is another meme coin. Pobcat, there's a lot of coins, guys, that are out there, but if you can find a coin with a strong audience that really believes in what they're investing in, more than likely whenever price action returns, we're going to see these coins jump up quite significantly. And mark my words, we're going to go look at these prices right now. Condux currently sitting at around 3 cents at the all-time high for Condux, guys. Earlier at the end of the year, this coin was sitting at around 13 cents, which was really amazing, seeing the huge rip up. But from there, we started seeing the deviations with Trump moving into office and all the tariff talks and everything that's going on. So I'm anticipating some crazy rip ups for a few of these assets. A few of them haven't even seen the time in the sun, like one of the great projects I'm talking about is Hash AI. While it's up anywhere from 50 to 80% on that 7-day chart, as you can see for the long time chart, guys, and it's because this is a very fresh project, we haven't even seen a huge ginormous rip up, and this makes me super bullish just because these coins haven't actually seen their time in the sun. But with all that being said, if we look at the price of these assets, guys, Condex is sitting at around 3 cents, which I'm sure this coin's going to be sitting at around 9 to 10 cents in the near future. Hash AI is sitting at around 0.005. This coin is going to be sitting at around at least 0.001 in the near future. Just to chill, guys, this is a very risky asset. I honestly told everyone I was taking a chance on this asset. I made some decent gains on this coin, but right now it's sitting at around 6-7 cents. If this coin hits around 14 cents, I'm going to be in pretty decent profit, and more than likely that's whenever I'm going to start taking some profits as well, just based off of how everything looks. Destra is another great AI project, overall sitting at around 18 cents. This is a project revolved around AI, cloud computing, a lot of big things, guys, and deep in software. So there's a lot of different things that you can look into, but Destra is one of those projects that is much more fresher than other coins. And then from there we got Mr. Miggles, which is just another meme coin. And Miggles is sitting at around 0.05 cents. This coin was sitting at around 15 cents at the peak. And this coin has had a very, very strong community, very strong updates, and everyone really believes in this coin. But swiping everything to the side, guys, I know I didn't give you specific coins to go invest in. I don't think that benefits you. What you really need to focus on is these specific sectors that are blowing up, and then exactly what to focus on in these specific assets. You want to go look at the price action. You want to also go look at exactly what the project is actually doing, the updates, the community, the marketing. If you're investing in meme coins, you don't really necessarily have to have technology updates and a huge roadmap and this or that. You just need a strong community with strong marketing and overall a cult-like mentality, like Murad has said a million times because he's around SPX 6900. But if you're invested in AI coins, gaming coins, guys, like how I am with Hash AI, with Destra, with Conducts, you need to make sure that these projects are actually bringing real updates, actually have a strong community, and they have a roadmap for the future and what they're producing. Overall, there's a lot of great sectors out there like RWA, which we didn't really cover today, and it's because that sector is more on the back burner, which really points to the fact that more than likely when liquidity moves, we're going to be seeing a lot of price action for that sector as well. But you really need to be staying with the hype in order to make those crazy gains. And that hype, guys, is around AI coins, meme coins, and gaming as well. But if new to my channel, I want you guys to go check out the rest of my content. I keep you guys updated on the day-to-day events, price action around Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, how liquidity is shifting, and exactly what you need to be aware of so that you can position yourself correctly. Everyone right now is looking for the best altcoins to invest in 2025. They want to know how to make the crazy gains, and the way to do it is by investing in projects that are much more fresher, that you have to take much more of a risk on, but as long as they're actually bringing real change and technology to the space, you can make some crazy, stupid gains. And I hope to share all that on this channel and, overall document it so you guys can see what is possible. But if new to my channel, drop me a comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of my content. Let me know what you guys think of altcoins right now. What altcoins are you investing in? Which sector do you think is the best? And what altcoins did I miss? Drop them down below. I'd like to make a full in-depth video. I actually want to break down my portfolio either today or tomorrow. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'm actually going to have a full crypto market update to let you guys know exactly all the updates and what you need to anticipate moving into next week. Hopefully I catch you guys in the next one, though. I drop day-to-day content, so hopefully I see you then. Peace.